I am Mr. Butala, founder of Gandhian Society. I started Gandhian Society before 5-10 years. That was like my imaging. Gandhian Society is totally depends on Gandhian philosophy. We have no anything except Gandhian philosophy. We do lot of humanitarian work, and right now we are doing the one big project like give a 50 ambulance in India in the rural, tribal and rural place. So that's why we came here. On 15 August we have a big Royal Albert program, and my colleague Mr. Mahesh Wani will say about this.
Thank you, Butalaji. So yeah, my name is Mahesh Wani and I'm part of Gandhian Society. So as Mr. Butala just said, we actually basically promote Gandhian philosophy, we promote Gandhian ideology amongst American youth. We do a lot of humanitarian work in India, and recently the second wave of COVID-19 happened in India, and during that pandemic we supported the community there by donating a lot of oxygen concentrators because there was a big need for that. While doing that, we realized that the secondary health services, especially ambulances, are really something that can be used by the people, especially in the rural and tribal areas. So if you imagine, every 30 square miles there is one ambulance in rural and tribal areas, and for a person that's actually in an emergency, imagine if one ambulance is serving them in 30 square miles, it's going to be very difficult. They'll either not have access to it, or if they have access to it, it's going to get very difficult for them to reach get the medical help that they really need in that emergency. We are actually doing this project. Every ambulance costs about $7,500. So we are raising funds to procure 50 ambulances and then distribute these in rural and tribal areas where the need is. So we are hosting India's Independence Day celebrations at Royal Albert's Palace. The event is actually basically titled Swaraj with Vinoba and Bapu. We have a music show, we have a music competition rather, we also have a Khadi fashion show, which is something very unique. We are also hosting some celebrities. National award winning musician and lyricist Shri Swanand Kirkire will be our guest of honor. Eric Damiani and Aryan Ved, who are professionals in fashion and choreography, will also be part of the event. So we look forward to seeing you all there and supporting us. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste. On behalf of Gandhian Society of New Jersey, I am Varsha Joshi, and I am very proud to be here announcing their special event on the 15th of August on the 74th Independence Day of India. And there is special feature, which means we are trying to involve the second and the third generation of Indian American kids. And as a singer, as an artist, I'm going to introduce a musical concept of devotional, philosophical and patriotic songs to all our kids. And I really welcome more and more talented students, more and more talented kids to come forward and enroll into Gandhian Society of New Jersey's website for their participation. They will have celebrity judges from India, from the mainstream of Bollywood, Mumbai, as well as some of the local musicians and the music teachers, and they will have the privilege to present their talent in front of them. And it is going to be on Sunday, 15th of August at Royal Albert's Palace Hall from 11 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And please do not forget, there is a noble cause attached with this particular event. It's not just for entertainment, it's not just the music, it's not just the other features which are going to be present. There are noble causes associated by the Gandhian Society, and its very, very senior leader, Mr. Bhadra Butala, for raising funds for the medical ambulances, which he has pledged to donate to rural part of Indian and villages in our interior villages of India. So please come forward and I would like to have everybody's participation. I look forward to see the younger kids singing Vaishnava Janato, Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, Dedi Hame Azadi Bina Khadg Bina Dhal, this kind of songs, and we are always there to motivate, coach and promote them. And I think with this I'd like to give it to Sonal.
Thank you, Varsha. Hello everyone, my name is Sonal and I'm the designer for this fashion show. This is a unique show and a very great opportunity for every one of you to come and create awareness. This show is uniquely designed using khadi fabric, and we are promoting khadi and organic living, sustainability via this fashion show. So please come and help this great cause, and definitely you will see a different vision for khadi. You will see how khadi can be so much different than what you usually see in just like khadi kurtas or all. So you would definitely enjoy this show. Please do come in.
Yes, enjoy this event which is called as Swaraj with Bapu and Bhave. You will be very delighted to see so many different features and so many different aspects of our India, culture, music, textiles, as well as the lovely event plannings. Thank you.
Yes, and definitely this show will bring a new perspective in your life and how you can make a difference by creating the best choice, which is living organically, living sustainability, promoting what is your own, which is your own fabric, khadi.
On behalf of Gopio International, Dr. Thomas Abraham, I would like to invite you to join Gandhian Society. Gandhian Society and Gopio International are hosting this wonderful event on August 15th at Royal Albert Palace. See you all on August 15th at Royal Albert Palace. Jai Hind!